The next one, work done calculation by force displacement graph. And work done calculation by force displacement graph. They will give the force and displacement graph. They will ask to find the work done. They will ask. In those cases, what we can do? They has given the displacement. Let us say I am calling this as SC is the displacement and F is a force. They might be given some graph given. They might be given some graph, random shape graph is given. So in those cases, what we need to do here? Work done, we need to calculate. What is the work done formula? What is the work done formula? Work done, which is equal to what? Tell me now. Integral of F bar dot ds. So that means we have to do integration from of the F bar dot ds. Integration is nothing but finding the area of the graph. Remember, integration means what? Finding the area. Differentiation means slope. Remember, differentiation means what? Slope. Integration means area calculations. Now, so the integration we are doing, that means what is nothing but what I can write now, this is nothing but area. Area of what? Tell me now. Force displacement graph. Work done is equal to what you tell me now? Force displacement graph. Area of force displacement graph. We simply find the area of the given graph, that is nothing but work done only. And this work done may be positive, may be negative. If the graph lies above, positive. If the graph lies below x-axis, then it is negative. So area under force displacement curve with a proper algebraic sign. Proper algebraic sign means if it is above positive, below negative, then that is a work done will use.